Let us now understand front-end versus back-end development. Coming to front-end, the part of the web development that is going to happen inside the web browser. And this is what the user is going to interact with and sees directly through the naked eyes. And the purpose of this front-end is designing and building the visible part of the website or web applications. And here we will be using the basic technologies HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and inside this we can have modern additions of libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, Vue.js, Redux, etc. And this entire thing will be making front-end stack, and it is nothing but it is a collection of tools and technologies which are chosen for building the user interface. So basically, inside the front end, main focus will be on creating a visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces. Now coming to backend, here we will be having part of the development that is going to happen on the server, and this is completely invisible to user. Inside front end, user can directly see through their naked eyes, but whatever process is happening inside the backend, user is completely unaware of that process. And the purpose of this backend is used to handle the logic, database interactions, and functionality which is required for website or application to work. If you're simply creating website and if it is not interactive, if you're not able to get the data from backend, then that website would be useless. So that entire logic will be handled using backend. Here we can use technologies like Node.js, languages like PHP along with MySQL, Python, Ruby on Rails, etc. And this backend stack will be including server, database, and logic layer. If we are not using any backend programming language, then we are simply going to create static website. But using this dynamic server, using backend programming languages, we can run dynamic application, we can interact with the databases, and we can easily process the request. And this database is going to store and retrieve the data such as user profiles, application data, app data, e-commerce data, whatever data we need to build the application, that entire data will be stored inside the database. And whenever client is requesting, server is going to get the data from the database, and accordingly data will be given to the user. And the common task of backend programming languages are user authentication, like login or sign up. We can send emails, we can do payment processing, we can interact with the databases, and also we can manipulate and serve data to the client. Combining both front end stack and back end stack is going to create full stack. Once you have understanding of both front-end stack and back-end stack, you can easily become full stack developer. So in this course, we will be using Node.js for the server, and later when we use databases, then we will be using MongoDB for our database. Node.js is not only limited here, it can also be used for hardware programming. For example, it can be used in IoT, it can also be used in robotics, but in this course, we are going to mainly focus on back-end web development. So this is the major difference between front-end stack and back-end stack.